Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to look unique among your Roblox friends? In this video, I'll show you how to make your avatar look headless for free. Let's go. To achieve a headless look for your Roblox avatar, start by visiting the marketplace. Before proceeding, keep in mind that the free items mentioned in this video might disappear or get updated to cost Robux, so your marketplace results may be slightly different. Anyway, navigate to Heads in the category and choose it again in the subcategory. Next, apply filters by setting the price range to 0 for both minimum and maximum, then click Go. Among these free items, look for Ring Head item and purchase it. Additionally, if you don't have black long messy hair in your inventory, you can get one from the marketplace. After making these purchases, exit the marketplace and go to Avatar to edit your Roblox avatar. At the Avatar Editor, first change your avatar skin tone by going to Head and Body and choosing the Skin Tone option. Then click Advanced to get more skin tones and switch from All to Head. Pick the black color, click Done. If the changes did not reflect, refresh the Roblox page. This time, change your avatar's head as well, so choose Head and Body again and select Heads. Put on the ring head item that we recently purchased and add any long black messy hair from your inventory. Your avatar will then automatically reflect these changes. You can try out your new headless avatar look in any game. As you can see, my avatar becomes headless successfully. If everything works for you as well, your avatar should be headless too. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.